Welcome. My name is Brian with Airbags Unlimited LLC. Today we're going to be introducing a new product for this vehicle that we're working on. The vehicle today is a 2018 Toyota RAV4 LE base model. What we're going to be putting on today is an aftermarket blind spot detection system from Rydeen. Pretty cool system. Been doing some research on it. It's also good to have it for the rear cross traffic alert. So this system will have your blind spot indicators in addition to a visual working when you're going faster than 20 miles an hour. It's got a GPS sensor on it that detects your rate of speed instead of tapping into the OBD2 wires under the dash. Pretty slick little system. Looking forward to installing it. This will be my first one to install. Like I said, it does do the blind spot and the rear cross traffic alert. Let's go ahead and jump right in, start the installation. We'll see how long it takes and see how easy. Okay, we are finishing up with the RAV4 blind spot sensing unit. Sensors are in, and Miss Kiki's been helping us. Hi, Kiki.
Hi. So
Kiki's been helping get this system completed. Thank you, Miss Kiki. So we're getting ready to put the trim pieces back in. We're doing a complimentary diagnostic scan on the vehicle too. We'll email her the codes. There's a bunch of codes. We filled all the air pressure up in the tires. They were supposed to be at 33. All four were sitting at 22. And we got the spare tire pressure back to factory 60 PSI. Powered everything up. Everything looks good. We just have to reassemble and test try, make sure the license plate blind spot sensing unit is picking up properly at the angle. And we'll come back once we are test driving it. We'll show you the sensors where they're located. We already tested them. They look pretty cool. They're actually right up here in the corner of the interior mirror trim panel on both sides. And of course you got the new mirror on the right side after hers got damaged. So we'll be back. Okay, here we are testing the aftermarket blind spot system and rear cross traffic alert system. Just pulled out of a parking lot. The rear cross traffic alert is working good. The blind spot system's sensors are working very well. The angle's just right. We use the 10-degree angle adapters for this particular application on the RAV4 since the liftgate angle was not flat, but it was offset. So now our sensors are working. It's illuminating. We have a car coming up, and then it's going to fade. Ooh, it actually picked up the trailer too. Very cool. Now, normal blind spot object sensing, it just illuminates the light. If you have your blinker on and someone comes up by you, it'll give you the visual signal. Also, it's going to give you a flash and a beep to let you know, hey, don't go over yet. So not only is it a visual, if your blinker's on, it'll give you an audible chirp to let you know, hey, do not change lanes yet, double check. Oh, there is somebody there. Once that object is not detected by the system, it goes back to a regular visual and you can change lanes safely. Same with the rear cross traffic alert. It's not just it won't just light up the left or right LED sensors. It'll let you know by a chirp. The beeper will start going off on the rear cross traffic alert, or when you're driving if you have your signals on. So my overall first impressions of doing this system, I'm impressed. The distance in which it picks up vehicles coming by you is just like the factory. Very clean install, very slim design. It took a little bit extra, but we went into the door panels instead of putting it up here on the A-pillar trim or on the dash. We wanted to go ahead and put it over towards the mirror. It just came out real nice. So I am impressed with this system. Just let us know what you think. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We'll have more videos coming with more products. different vehicles. We will be adding the Ford GT40 digital video recording camera system that we did. That'll be coming to the YouTube site pretty soon also. Appreciate y'all checking it out. We'll see y'all later. Have a good day.